If you're working on your Shopify theme and you're looking for ways to add custom buttons to your theme, I'm going to show you very briefly how to actually implement that into your Shopify theme. So what you want to do is on the theme customizer, you want to come down and add a new section. And with this new section, you're actually going to look for the custom liquid section. You can either type it in here, search it, or just scroll through and find it. And then you want to click on that. It's going to add this new custom liquid section here, which is just going to appear as an empty block. So for this example, I've already gone ahead and set something up just for you to see how it looks like. So if you actually look at this section here, all you have to do is actually paste in your HTML here and then the CSS here. And I'm going to put the code in the description for you, so that way you have it for you to come in and test it out. But if you see here for this example, all we have is our link here, that we have the actual link, and then we have the link text. So let me go ahead and remove all this here so you can see just what the link looks like. So you see we have our link here. So if you want to replace this link, all you have to do is pull the link from your Shopify store that you want this link to actually point to, and then you go ahead and put that in here, and then you can change the text right in here as necessary. And then in terms of changing maybe the colors or the size or the padding, you can come in here and change all these colors as necessary, all down here. So it makes it very simple, very easy to actually add new sections here, to actually add this custom code. And then if you want to add maybe additional buttons, you can just copy this, come in here and paste that in here. More buttons will show up. And then maybe if you want to add a heading, so like we had earlier, maybe you want to add something like this, collections here. Then you'll see you have a heading up here. Maybe you want to add a description, like description here. You have a description there. You go ahead and save that. Okay, let's save that. Let's refresh our page. Come back down to our custom section. Okay, and then you see here our new section here with the collections, description here, our two buttons. So this is just a very brief way of adding not only buttons, but any type of custom section that you want to actually build on your Shopify theme. And a lot of times the section that you're using might not have this built in. So this is a very quick way of how you can actually add this to your Shopify theme if you wanted to add custom buttons. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking to make some modifications or improvements to your Shopify theme, maybe you're looking for recommendations on integrating any type of third-party app or third-party software tool. Maybe you're looking for ways just to improve the overall flow of running your Shopify store. Maybe you want to look to ways that you can implement AI or automate certain processes. That's something we've been doing lately as well. Maybe integrating chatbots or things of that nature. Anything related to your Shopify store or your online business in general that you think that you might want to ask some questions about or learn more about, please feel free to check out our website, zkido.info. We're always happy to have a conversation, see what it is that you're looking for, bounce off ideas, and see the best way that we can help you. So website is in the description. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And once again, I do hope this video was helpful.